you're slathering a bull?
From what part will you give me?
Any part you want, Mama. Whatever you ask for, I'm here to serve you.
I want of that. I hope it's fresh.
Completely fresh, Mama. Number one, how much do you want?
A shilling's worth only. Unless you can give me more on credit.
No, not today.
I want of that only.
Yes, don't you want good and fresh meat, isn't it? This is very good. See? Excellent. Number one, I tell you.
I don't want it.
Okay, your wish. Was it is this one you wanted?
That's it. Now you know it. What's that you're doing there? I didn't ask for stones. I don't want them. Remove them at once.
Oh, Mama, they are not stones. They are very good bones with plenty of meat of them. See? Excellent. Grade 1.
And what am I to do with bones? I'm not a dog.
Why not? Thank you, Mama. Thank you very much. God help you.
Okay, Balakuba. Goodbye.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, brother.
What's the quarrel with the butcher?
Nothing.
Weren't you complaining of ill treatment? I hear you shouting.
No. I was just joking with him. That butcher was a very nice.
No bones. Just a little meat for your father.
No, my father has no meat.
Oh, I see. Dongo, Mr. Dongo, come over here please. I'm delighted to see you. How are you?
Excellent. Thank you.
Not well at all because you know you still haven't endorsed my trading license. Please do it just now. Only a week left before the closing date.
Your trading license. Hasn't anyone taught you how to get it? Just look at your shop. See? The whole floor is littered with scrap and bones. Why is your apron so dirty? Where's your file? Why is it broken? And why have you not combed your hair? Who made you big butcher? Look, you have to get things in order before pestering me to endorse your license. Do you understand that?
I'm sorry, I didn't know about these things. If you return that next week, I promise everything will be in order. But please, I must have the license endorsed by next Monday.
That's your business. I'm warning you. If everything is not ready by the next week, I won't get your license. Is that clear?
Yes. Everything will be in order next week. I promise.
Business.
Come on, where's my meat?
Order, yes. I'm sorry. I won't be a minute. Here it is. What's to be done? And that girl? She didn't pay me. Which way did she go? Too late. She's made off.
Come here, you're shaking meat. No, never.
This old man. Kalubay, please help me.
Bones, you still don't understand?
Oh, bones? Bones? Yes, I see. You want some bones. Oh, Dongo. Good morning. How are you?
Not so well.
Not well? I'm very sorry. I hope you didn't come to endorse my license.
Where's your license? Just like that? With such a dirty shop?
By the way, Mr. Dongo, I almost forgot. I have something for you. Thought you might like a few bones to take home.
Bones? What should I want with these bones? Oh, bones! Bones! That's very thoughtful of you. They will come very handy. Mr. Awad, your shop looks really cool today. See? No cobwebs. A clean scale. See? No cobwebs. A clean scale. A new broom and a dustbin outside. It's the way we want it. Don't worry about your hair. Come on! Give me those forms.
Go.
Just lend me your pen, please. Something's gone wrong with mine.
Certainly, I'm at your service.
Eh? You bought a new pen? Well, that's done. Now you'll be alright, okay? Mr. Awan, hurry.
Thank you, Quahiri. Quahiri.
Ah, my hat. There it is. Query.
Hello, Mama. Good morning. Aren't you coming to buy a meat today?
Just look at your shop and at yourself. Dirty and stinky. Okay. I'm not going to buy meat from you anymore. I'm going to the next butcher to a cleaner shop.
But Mama, I have a license. Listen. Yun lang. Certified clean and fit to sell meat for human consumption. Mama!
With ill treatment?
No.
Oh my God, kasi mali yan, ulit ko na.
Next. Mr.
Sabi ko na. Eh? Why not?
Uli. Ay, wablong. Just look at your shop.